Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel, 10th Standard Social Science, April 2023, previous public exam questions and answers, day 5. Let us go to the video. Muirchi plus Paichi which is equal to Vetri. I always say that unless you have a Muirchi and Paichi, you will not be able to get a Vetri. So please make note of that. In the theory and work in the theory commentary and make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. So let us go to the video now. Which part of the world disliked dollar imperialism? April 2023. So Latin America. When was People's Political Consultative Conference held in China? September 14, 1949. Was the first Palagas to resist the East India Company policy of territorial aggrandizement? Pulithevar. And in which session of Indian National Cause of Non-Cooperation Movement approved? Calcutta. Who initiated the formation of League of Nations? Woodrow Wilson. The Antarctic cold has dash percentage, that is 80 to 95%. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is Totabetta. Number of major and minor ports in Tamil Nadu is 3 and 15. Dash plains are formed by the older alluvium. Banagar. Bajra is an indigenous crop of Africa. Under 9 article, President is vested with the power to proclaim financial emergency is Article 360. Arrange the following order in the chronological order. So that means this is the one. That is, the Dash Revolution was born in India, paving way for self-sufficiency in food grains production. Green Revolution. Which one of the following is not having a leather factories? Dharmaburi. So let us go to the 2-mark question. How did Hitler get the support from the people of Germany? Hitler was gifted with great oratorial skills. He was able to stay away the people with impassioned speeches. He has promised to return to the glory of military past of Germany. What was the result of Mussolini's march to Rome? In October 1922, in the context of long ministerial crisis, Mussolini organized the fascist march on Rome. Impressed by the show of force, the king invited Mussolini to form a government. 17th. Write a note on reforms of Ramalinga Adigal. He followed Jiva Karanya, Samarasa Sudha, Sanmarga Satya Sangha. He showed his compassion and mercy on living beings. He started a free feeding house in everywhere at Padalur. Summarize the essence of Lucknow Part. It was made in 1916. Muslim League agreed to support Congress to self-government. Then 19th. What do you know of trench warfare? Trenches dug by soldiers to protect enemy fire and then running parallel to each other, and then used for delivering food, ammunition, mail, fresh troops and orders. Define disaster risk reduction. It is the concept and practice of reducing disaster risks through systematic effort to analyze and reduce the casual factors of disasters. 20%. Trade carried on between two or more countries is called international trade. It is also called as external trade or foreign trade. 22nd. Why is Coimbatore called the Manchester of Tamil Nadu? Coimbatore, often referred as the Manchester of South India. At present, most of the spinning mills have around the Coimbatore city. 23rd. What is natural gas? It is naturally occurring by hydrocarbon. It is formed by decomposition of plants and animals or exposed to the thousands of years. 24th. What is meant by normal lapse rate? When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases at the 60.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. 20th. Classical language. Tamil, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Odia. Mention the countries, member countries of BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. What is meant by growth domestic product? Gross domestic. GDP is total value of goods and services within the geographical model of the country. 28th. What is proportional tax? Tax levied on goods and services in the fixed portion is known as proportional tax, and all taxes payers contribute the same proportion of their income. Next, in the Battle of Tannenberg, Dash suffered Russia. Satnur dams constructed across the river is Tenpennai. Dash the Tamil Nadu state animal is the Nilgiri Thar. The Constitution of India envisages the federal government. In the year 2013, National Food Security Act was passed by Indian government. Analyze the effect of World War. Two main blocks, America and Russia. Cold War between America and Russia. Rise of nuclear weapons. Colonies become independent. UN came into existence for peace and socio-economic changes. 31. Outbreak of Vellore Revolt in 1806. 1806 Vellore Mutiny. Thus India Sepoy revolt against the British in Vellore Fort. Grievance of Indian soldiers. Low salary, trade and unequal, no promotion given, ban on religious symbols. New military regulations. Revolt held on 10th July 1806. Revolt was suppressed. Tipu's son was sent to Calcutta. 32. Western Ghats along west coastal plain, continuous range, high mountains. Along eastern coastal, discontinuous range, low mountains. Contain metallic elements, look shining, iron and copper. Do not contain metals, look dull in color. Eastern Ghats discontinuous and irregular. Next, 33. Describe the role of Tamil Nadu in civil disobedience movement. Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement. Rajaji organization led by the Sel Satyagraha. Tiruchi, 13 April 930 reached Vedaranyam. Marching Satyagrahas were provided to a warm reception. Raji broke the salt law and was arrested. 34th. Southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon is the most significant feature in the Indian climate. By the first week of June advances, the monsoon is influenced by the global phenomenon, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Then soil. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid and desert soil, saline and peat and marshy soil. Roadways. Roadways are the plays an important role in carrying goods and passengers for short and long distance. National highways, state highways, district roads, rural roads, border roads, and golden quadrilateral. 37. It is the lengthiest constitution of the world. It is borrowed provision from various countries. It is partially rigid. It is partly flexible. It makes India as a secular state. It provides an independent judiciary. It establishes a parliamentary session. It establishes a federal system. Next, duties and functions of Prime Minister. It is the head of the cabinet. It distributes various departments to the ministers. He decides the dates and the agenda meeting of the cabinet. The Prime Minister supervises the work of various ministers. He acts as the link between President and Council of Ministers. He is the leader of the nation. Universal Public Distribution System. Tamil Nadu has adopted an universal PDS. Both the union and state government subsidies and supplies distributed through PDS. National Food Security Act was passed by the Indian Parliament 2013. National Food Security Act covers 50% of urban and 70% of the rural households. These households are known as priority households. Next, reasons for the growth of multinational organizations. Corporation. Expansion of market territory, marketing superiorities, financial superiorities, technical superiorities, and product innovation. Timeline. 10 to 13. So 10 to 13 any 5 years. So outbreak of World War, end of World War, Mussolini's March, Farmer Swaraj Party, Motilal Nehru Report, Salt Satyagraha, then goes to Great Britain, Germany, then Morocco, Italy, and France. Then Peninsular Plateau. So Peninsular Plateau lies to the south of the Great Northern Plains. This is the largest physiography division. It covers area of 16 lakh square meter, consists of a series of plateaus and hilly. Anamudi is the highest peak in the plateau. The greatest plateau is the part of the Gondwana land mass. The region lying in the south of Narmada is called Deccan Plateau. Narmada and Tapti are the two rivers. Peninsula Plateau comprises the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Causes of failure of revolt 1857. Not well organized, planned, spontaneous. There was general lack of enthusiasm among the Indian princes to participate in the rebellion. The Indian princes and zamindars either remained loyal nor fearful of the British power. Those involved in the rebellion were left with either little or no sources of arms and ammunition. The emerging English-educated middle class too did not support the rebellion. The absence of the central authority, the rebellion was brutally suppressed. Raghudush was captured and transported to Burma. Then goes to the map. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Aravalli, Thar Desert, Panna Biosphere, Paradip, Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats, and Black Soil, the reserve. So let us go to the next one. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எண்ணூர், சென்னை ஏர்போர்ட், சில்க், ரிவர் பாலார், வேடந்தாங்கல், முல்லை பெரியார், இந்தியன் ஓஷன். So I hope இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Please subscribe to Thrill Max YouTube channel and forward to your friends on this channel. And I wanted to tell you that We are frequently updating all the exam updates on a regular basis, which will help you to get a very good marks, my dear children. So I once again repeat, please subscribe to Ronamax YouTube channel for more exam updates that will enhance your marks at a long very way, my dear children. Let us go for that.